Sales for the year. The following information is available for SOC, a sole trader who does not keep full accounting records. Inventory 1 July 20x6, $34,650. 30 June 20x7, $37,275. Purchases made for year ended 30 June 20x7, $179,025. SOC makes a standard gross profit of 25% on sales. Based on these figures, what is SOC's sales figure for the year ended 30 June 20x7? Answer: opening inventory $34,650. Purchases $179,025. Closing inventory minus $37,275. Cost of sales $176,400. Margin equals sale minus cost divided by sale equals 25%. Sales equal 176,400 times 100 over 75 equals $235,200.